This is Maths Attack. Maths videos for 6th class pupils in Mr. Brennan's class.
This week in Maths Attack we're looking at dividing by 2, 4 and 8. There's a simple trick that just involves repeated halving.
When we divide by 2 we are halving. So 12 divided by 2 is 6 as 6 plus 6 is 12. Likewise 30 divided by 2 is 15 as 15 plus 15 is 30.
With bigger numbers we just partition, i.e. break them up. Let's take 78 divided by 2. Let's make it into 70 and 8. Half of these are 35 and 4, which gives us 39. However, we don't have to partition by place values. Let's break up 78 into 60 and 18. When we half these we get 30 and 9, which makes 39.
Division is not commutative, the order does matter. Let's take 10 divided by 5, which 2. However, 5 divided by 10 is 1/2.
When we divide by 4, we half, then half again. Let's look at 12, which is 6 plus 6 or 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Hence 12 divided by 4 is 3. So take 128 divided by 4. Half of 128 is 64. Half of 64 is 32. Hence 128 divided by 4 is 32.
If we have a bigger number we break up the numbers. Let's look at 168 divided by 4. One way is to break it up to 168. Half of these is 50 and 34. Half again is 25 and 17. Together gives us 42, so 168 divided by 4 is 42. The second way we could do it is split up 168 into 160 and 8. Half of each is 80 and 4. Halving again gets us 40 and 2. Together that gives us 42.
To divide by 8 we half and then half again. So half 3 times. Let's look at 48, which is 24 plus 24 or 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 or 6 plus 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 6. Therefore 48 divided by 8 is 6. Let's take 128 divided by 8. Half of 128 is 64. Half of 64 is 32. Half of 32 is 16. So 128 divided by 8 is 16.
And as usual with a bigger number we can partition it. Let's take 464 divided by 8, which I'm going to break into 464. Half of each is 232. Half again is 116. Half once more is 50 and 8. Therefore 464 divided by 8 is 58. Time for a recap quiz. What is 328 divided by 2? Pause your video to tackle the question. Well, 328 can be divided into 300, 20 and 8. Half of these is 150, 10 and 4, giving us an answer of 164.
What is 172 divided by 4? Pause your video to work it. Remember to use your table knowledge to help. Well, let's break 172 into 172. Half both to get 50 and 36. Now half again to get 25 and 18. This will give us 43.
What is 712 divided by 8? Well, pause your video and give it a go. Let's break up 712 into 600 and 112. Half these to get 356. Half again to get 150 and 28. Half a third and final time to get 75 and 14. And voila, you've 89. Great work today.
You were just fabulous.